Hello everyone, in this video I will be demonstrating the functionalities of a hotel management system I made for my database class in 2023. To get started, the default user is going to be admin and the password will be admin. Let's log in. Okay, so starting off we have our dashboard which shows us some of the data from our tabs on the left here. So to get started, let's make a new employee instead of just admin. So for a new employee, let's just add myself, and the password's going to be 123, and the password's going to be 123. Once we add this employee, if we try to search our employees, we'll be able to see that, oh, I'm right there, and my user ID, username, and the user password. If we want to delete employees, we can delete myself and the password. If we try to do the wrong password, it's not going to work. But now if we do this and we do the correct password, my employee should be deleted successfully. Alright, next, let's try to register any guests to here. So right now let's try to register myself and the phone number. If we try to do a phone number that's not valid, it'll, oh well, first let's try to fill out all the fields. So there's my email address, and the phone number must only contain numbers, right? That's my mistake. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. Now we registered a guest. And to search guests, we can see myself and all of the information right here. And if we want to delete a guest, we can as well, but let's wait on that. Now let's go to our rooms. By default, we have 3 options here, a single, double, and a triple room, and we can add a room number. But if we want to add a room type, we can. So let's add a room type here. Let's add a quadruple here for $400. Perfect. And there's the quadruple for $400. And now we can register a room here. At the moment we have 0 because we haven't made any. So let's make one double with room number 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And notice if we try to do something with the same room number, it'll say the room number is already registered, so we can't. And then if we tried to do letters, it's not going to work because it's not a valid room number. So let's make a quadruple real quick with room number 12. And once we do that, we can search rooms, and you can see here we have 2 room options available. We have the 2 rooms that we just made. If we want to delete any rooms, we can just choose a room number, but we'll get to that later. Next, let's try to make a reservation for the guests we made earlier and using one of the rooms that we've registered as well. So you'll notice our registers. Today, when I'm making this video, it's actually March 5th, so that's going to be our starting date, and we won't be able to select any dates before that because it doesn't make sense to make a reservation in the past. So let's do one here. So let's start one for today, and it'll go till Friday. The guest email, we'll do my email, and we'll do the available rooms here, which we can see here were the 2 rooms that we registered earlier, and it'll tell us how much our total trip is going to be. Ooh, that's pretty hefty. All right, well, let's add it. Now that we've added a reservation, we can see here, and we have a reservation available. Now let's try to overlap our reservation real quick, see what happens here. We'll do Caleb, and we'll do Caleb Shims, I guess, and then we'll do another phone number here. For our email address, we'll just do caleb@email.com, and we'll register another guest. Now let's make another reservation here. Say we tried to register a user, what was it again? It was Caleb Shim at email.com, or sorry, Caleb@email.com. All right, so Caleb@email.com, and look, you'll notice that the option for our quadruple room is not available anymore, and that is because, well, we are trying to reserve it at the same time that someone else is using it. So instead, let's try from here, and we'll see that that room is back to normal, and we can make a reservation. All right, perfect. And for this one, if we want to remove a reservation, all we have to do is click right here, and we can delete the reservation. Now you'll notice here that our reservation here is under my name and room number 123. Well, say we wanted to delete room number 123, we can delete the room, and naturally that's going to delete the reservation as well, because you can't have a reservation without the room, right? And the same thing would apply to if we were to make a reservation, say with the other one, and we have, I guess quadruple is the only room we have available now. So we make this, and oh, yep, no rooms available. And we go to our reservations, right? With this one, if we decided that we wanted to delete this guest, right, using their email here, all right, we delete the guest. If we go back to our reservations, we'll see that is also gone because, you know, you can't make a reservation without any guests, you know. And yeah, and if we return to our dashboard here, you'll see that we have all the data that we've created. We have an accurate count for every entry that we've created, and as you can see, we're out of reservations because we got rid of all our guests. And you'll notice here on the right too, we also have hotel amenities if we want to add any of those. So say for example, we wanted to add, we have a gym available, lots of weights and cardio machines available. We can add it here and check it out. And if we want to view it, we can just see there's the gym and the description. And can't actually change the description because that's all it is. We're just viewing. But if we wanted to edit the amenity, we can. Cardio machines available. We also have protein shakes at the front. Save, and that should work as well. Yes, and we've changed that entry as well. And if we want to delete it, we just have to hit this minus button and we can delete the amenity. All right, and yeah, that's going to be all the functionality from my hotel management system. Thank you guys for watching.